Hello guys, this is Abdul, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of the sample programs. First, let's see the sum of the two numbers. Let's take A input and B input, and print A plus B. Now, to get the output, let A value as 5 and B value as 2. We get 52 but not 7, because when we take the input, it is taken as string. To give it as input as integer, we have to take integer of input, and as the same way, take B. Now, we get 7 instead of 52, and A value 5 and B value 2. You can see that always the input value is taken as string. Now let's try some of the other programs. Now check. Now let's try a program to print a number and check that number is even or odd. Input, and we can enter any number for much detailing. Next, to find the number is even or odd, we have to use the if and else condition. If n modulus 2 is equal to 0, then a number is even or odd. Even. So let's print even here. And if it is else, then print odd. Let's go to the terminal. Oh, I entered capital I here. We can see that variables are case sensitive. Now enter any number, 25. You can see that the number is odd. Now let's go to the next program to print odd numbers up to n. Now let's take any number and take odd variable as 1, as the odd number starts from 1. Now take while condition and take while odd less than or equal to n, print odd number, and every time we have to increment the odd number by 2. Now if we want to print the odd numbers till 20, we get 19. And now if you want to print even numbers up to n, then just change the variables. Here take even, and the even number starts from 0, so assign its value as 0. Take even everywhere. We can even take odd as variable, but for our easy understanding, we take even. So now let's run this program. We want to get the even numbers up to 6. Then we get the even numbers up to 6 from 0 to 4 and 6. In Python, we have the default print behavior like this. There is an end statement which is equal to slash n here. But if you want to print the numbers side by side, then give the space inside the double quotes. Now we get the numbers side by side. You can see that the same numbers are printed side by side. Now to print n even numbers, we have the program. Let's change the program. To print the first n even numbers, we write, let's take the variable even here, equal to 0, and take the while condition I less than or equal to n into 2 times. Then here not right, here it's even because we have taken the variable value even. Then every time we have to increment the even value by 2. Now let's try the output. This is the program to print first n even numbers. We want first 3 n even numbers. So we get 2, 4 and 6. To print the first n odd numbers, we change the variables here to odd, which is equal to 1, and print the odd numbers. Yeah, let's try it out. If you want the first 5 odd numbers, then enter number 5, then we get the first 5 odd numbers. Let's try a program to print the table. To get a table of any number from like 2 into 1 equal to 2 and 2 into 2 equal to 4, then we have to write this program. And if we run this program, if you want a table of 5, enter number 5 and you'll get the table of 5. Here, the intos in between are enclosed in the double quotes. And the next program is to get the square of first n numbers. For that, let us take an input n equal to integer input, enter any number. If you enter any number, then assign its value. Let's try I equal to 1. And while I less than or equal to n, and after that we have to put a semicolon, and print. To print the square, we'll print the I into I. Then let's every time increment this value. We can write I equal to I plus 1 or I plus equal to 1. Now let's get the output. If you want to get the square numbers up to 10 and 10, we get the square numbers up to 10. So thank you for watching.